4 with breaking news. The man charged in the double murder in Lexington just left the courtroom.
Our Kelly Kendall was inside the hearing and joins us live. Kelly, what did you learn in court?
We have just got out of court, literally just minutes ago, and this was a very interesting court case. Now, of course, Cade High School is charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder and first-degree burglary for breaking and entering into 51-year-old Susie Kiger's home and then proceeding, as the state laid out, to stab 40-year-old Joshua Purvis and 51-year-old Susie Kiger. Now, the state laid out what led up to this, and according to the state, this was over a bearded dragon, a pet bearded dragon. The state claims that high school told them that he believed someone had killed a pet bearded dragon and was going to seek out 13 different culprits in the Mobile Park home where this alleged murder took place, which is the Cedar Grove Park homes off of Cedar Grove Drive, which is off of Leonard Road in Lexington. Now, this was a little bit hard to follow because high school was repeatedly having outbursts in court. The judge asked him to remain silent at different points. There were some points where he was telling an unintelligible story about his own life and what was going on at the moment when this bearded dragon was a part of the story. At some points, he claimed that he did not understand the first-degree murder charges. He did appear in a Navy jumpsuit in person and was shackled at both his ankles and his hands. At other points, he also was respectful of the judge, saying yes, sir, and things of that nature. But this all came together just in the last few moments. Again, a lot of this, it was difficult to understand, but we do know at this point that under Irina's law, there are no release conditions that can ensure, according to the judge, that he will be released, either that he would appear again in court or because of public safety. So therefore, the judge gave him no bond in this case, and he will appear again on July 14th. He was appointed defenders from the Capitol Offender's Office. We will be learning more about this at that court date in just a couple of weeks. But for now, live in Lexington, I'm Kelly Kendall for WXII 12 News.